Have you ever had geraniums that stopped blooming or turned yellow? Don't worry, you're not alone. The good news, the fix is easier than you think. Let's get into it. Light and location. Geraniums love the sun. Place them in a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. If you live in a hot climate, a little afternoon shade will prevent scorching. More light means more flowers, so don't keep them in dark corners. Soil and watering. Good drainage is key. Use well-draining soil with a slightly alkaline pH between 6.0 and 6.5. If you're growing them in containers, a high-quality potting mix works best. When watering, let the soil dry out between watering sessions. Overwatering can cause root rot, while underwatering can lead to yellow leaves. The trick? Water deeply but infrequently. Fertilizing for maximum blooms. Want non-stop flowers? A balanced, slow-release fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks will keep your geraniums thriving. Avoid too much nitrogen. It promotes leafy growth but fewer flowers. Instead, go for a bloom booster fertilizer with phosphorus to encourage vibrant blossoms. Pruning and deadheading. Regular pruning keeps geraniums bushy and full. Pinch back stems to encourage new growth, and deadhead spent blooms to trigger continuous flowering. Simply snap off the old flowers at the base. It's that easy. Overwintering and propagation. Geraniums can be overwintered indoors to bloom again next year. Take cuttings in summer, root them in soil or water, and you'll have new plants for free. If you're in USDA zones 9 to 12, they may even grow as perennials. Now you've got everything you need to grow glorious geraniums. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more expert gardening tips. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite geranium color. See you in the next video.